was once a sculptor named Rohan, who spent years carving statues for others but never looked at himself. He lived life pleasing others, ignoring his own soul. One day, everything crumbled. His relationships, his purpose, his sense of self lost. He wandered into the mountains, questioning everything. In despair, he smashed one of his unfinished sculptures. As the pieces scattered, something within him cracked too. He realized he'd spent his life shaping external things while neglecting his own inner form. Wherefore, sitting among the ruins, he whispered, "Who am I beyond what I have built?" With nothing left to cling to, he picked up the fragments of the sculpture of himself. Slowly, he began rebuilding, not just with stone, but with truth. He faced his fears, embraced his wounds, and for the first time, created not for the world, but for his soul. The process was not easy. Some days he doubted, other days he wanted to give up. But with every piece he put back together, he felt lighter, more real, more himself. He understood that destruction was not the end, but the beginning. After years of sculpting for others, he finally sculpted his own soul. This time, he didn't carve perfection. He embraced the cracks, the imperfections, the lessons he carried. Only after breaking did he understand. Only in rebuilding did he meet his true self. We are all sculptors of our own being, and sometimes we must shatter before we truly shape who we are meant to be. The process is painful, but it is also sacred. You are not lost, you are being reformed. What if your pain is guiding you? What if your struggles are sculpting the strongest version of you? Growth isn't about avoiding the breaking, it's about trusting the rebuilding. If your pain is guiding you, what if your struggles are sculpting the strongest version of you? Growth isn't about avoiding the breaking, it's about trusting and rebuilding.